Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. How about you?
I am also doing great and I'm fantastic.
So, ma'am, we are connecting for the first time. So, I would like to know something about yourself, about you. Would you like to give your brief introduction?
Okay, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I am Suman from Haryana. I am homemaker. I am BSc B.Ed, MA English, B.Live, M.Live. I cleared my STAT, CTET, CET and screening exam and my hobbies are dancing, singing, driving, gardening, and nowadays I create new hobby, connecting new people through conversation, and that's all about me.
Nice introduction, ma'am. Okay, it's my turn.
Ye-
Can I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, why sure.
Yeah. So, my name is Gendo Kumar. I belong to Jharkhand. And if I talk about my education, I have done my graduation. There are six members in my family. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker. I have three sisters. If I talk about my hobbies, I like reading, writing, talking with others, playing, or traveling. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, you has given nice introduction, and why did you start your English speaking journey? Because you are a student, and what is the need of your speaking English?
Yeah, ma'am, in this day, learning English has become very important in each and every field. If you want to get a job, if you want to go in any sector, for that you must have command on English. If you don't know like how to communicate in English, then you will not get a good, job or better jobs,
Yes,
because you will have to appear, interview in English. That's why, yeah. So that's why English is required everywhere. That's why I thought let's learn. But learning this language was not easy, quite simple for me, because I belong to village, and here there was no any kind of environment, sources, friends, or any institute. But this became possible with the help of social media, YouTube, or more applications. Through that, I'm learning. I'm also beginner, but yeah, I try to learn. Yes.
yes, yes. That's good because you have not given like excuses, but you have to only one mobile is enough, and you have to use in useful direction, in good direction, and social media is a good friend for you if you have to be very passionate and dedicated person. So that's why.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Right, right.
doing great job. Beside it, you are living in your village and no surrounding because in every village and in our every state, every person speak only in their dialect. So that's why it is some hurdle. But if you are very dedicated person, so you can do everything. So
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
yes, how long you have been learning this language?
Yes, ma'am. I have been learning more than 1 year, but I'm not, very consistent. And before few months back, I was only doing, self practice, because I had no any idea like how to connect with others, or how to, find friends. So before that time, I used to make videos only. Yeah, only with the help of my camera phone, and I used to upload on my YouTube. I have my own YouTube channel, so in that I used to upload one video every day. Like that, I used to do practice. But after that, I came across to know there are some applications. Freely you can like connect with them. You can have conversation. You can boost your confidence, enhance your knowledge, information, and you can learn. You know as soon as possible. Yeah.
Yes, after learning this language, what do you want to become?
Yeah, my aim is to become a teacher. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And who connected this app like Skype app? Who joined? Where
uh,
from you know about this app?
this app, actually I know about this app. One of my friend, he told me about this app. Yeah, he was also learning English. So
Okay, okay.
yeah. Yeah. So a few months back, he told me that if you want to improve your communication in English, then you must join here, and you will get friends, and you can talk with others. So it will be more helpful. And then I tried, but
Yes,
initially it was very difficult for me because I used to fear a lot. Because you can say I had faced very few people in my life, like talking, in front of them or facing camera. But yeah, day by day I get rid of fear, hesitation, problem. Yeah, I don't get afraid. Yeah, even though also I make some of grammar mistakes, grammatical mistakes, but yeah, it's fine.
yes,
If
yes.
we will practice, then definitely one day we will achieve our goal. Yes.
Yes, yes. In initial days, it happens for to every person, not you only, and it happens to every person because it's a language and it takes time. So speaking doesn't matter in starting time. We speak wrong or right. So only
Yeah.
we have to speak more and more. So that's why. And nowadays many people learn this language, even though many housewives are also in this in and in on this app also. So
Yeah.
because English is needed today and in every field, in most of the people in private job, through communication skill they earn much more money and good salary, good designation. So that's why. And English is the way of another country also. So that's why
Yeah.
people learn this language.
Yeah, yeah. English is the, like a global language. You can connect with whole world. Yeah. So it's
Yes,
very helpful. Yes.
yes,
And
yes.
yeah. And also, apart from my study, also I teach in a private school. Yes. Class 1 to 5.
Okay,
Yes.
you are doing great job and hard work also. Being
Yeah.
a student is very hard to teach and manage your timetable for your study
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
So
yeah.
that's why you are doing.
Yeah. It's
Yes.
difficult, but I manage.
You are
Yes.
the
Yes,
single
ma'am.
brother of three.
Yes. I'm the only one son in
You
my
are the
family.
single.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, you are. Yes.
I'm the
Okay,
eldest
that's
one.
good
Yes. And
because
also I'm the, yeah. Yes.
okay, you are the eldest.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. All are younger than
Okay,
me.
because okay, okay, and every parents wants to wants every son like you because you are a student and apart from you are a teacher also. You are teaching some subject in private. You give private tuition or in a school you have teach.
I teach in a school, in private school.
And how is the weather there?
Weather is fine today. Yeah. Uh, but
Okay, and
before 2 days,
which are
yes, yes, ma'am.
yes. Go
Before,
ahead, carry on.
yeah, before 2 days, weather was, it was too hot. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Because in some state monsoon has come and
Yeah.
some places have been raining today. So that's why
Yeah.
some places are very hot. In some places it is raining. So that's why.
Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday it rained a little
Yes.
bit, not too much. Yeah.
Yes.
So, ma'am.
Some
Yeah.
places it has heavily and some places it is only drizzling.
Yeah, and ma'am, also like I belong to farmer family, so we do agriculture and cultivate. So we depends on you know agriculture, and for that, water is very necessary. Rainwater, because without rainwater we cannot do agriculture. Yeah,
In this time in Haryana, paddy crops are cultivated, and in
yeah.
your state, what
Also here,
which crop?
paddy crops. Yeah, paddy
Yes,
crops we
paddy
grow. Yeah,
rice.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
You are attending this conversation in a garden, yeah, forest. I see.
No, no, just I am beside my home.
Okay, there are more trees.
Yeah, yeah, there are trees all around. You will get to see trees. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
which tree?
These all are bamboos, or I don't know the name of in English. I don't know what is called in English.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay.